Are we losing our best sons to foreign labor markets? Are we educating our best sons for national development or training them for foreign economies? Every year, thousands of our brightest young men leave home to study abroad, work abroad, and most never come back. We celebrate their success, we wish them well, and we call it opportunity. But have we paused to ask a difficult question? What happens to our heritage when our best sons grow up somewhere else? Who inherits our estates, our mansions, the wealth we acquire through sweat and sometimes blood? Childhood and early adulthood shape identity. When these years happen abroad, culture slowly changes. Language becomes weaker. Traditions become distant. Festivals turn into social media memories instead of lived experiences. So, what do we toil for? What do we live for? Our sons gain global exposure, but often lose deep cultural roots. Over time, heritage becomes something they visit, not something they live. Abroad, they build new friendships, new careers, and new families. Their lives become anchored in foreign cities. Their daily realities shift. Their loyalties slowly move. Returning home begins to feel distant. This is how emotional distance quietly becomes permanent migration. Foreign education systems are not designed for our country's needs. They are built to serve their own economies. Our sons are trained for their industries, their certifications, and their job markets. By graduation, they are perfectly prepared to work for another nation. We invest our dreams and export the results. Success abroad often requires assimilation, new accents, new lifestyles, new identities. To fit in, many feel pressure to step away from where they came from. Heritage becomes private, sometimes even hidden. Slowly, identity changes. When our best men settle abroad, our country loses more than talent. We lose future leaders, innovators, mentors. A cycle begins. The next generation sees migration as the only path to success. Our grandchildren are foreigners, and our nation becomes a supplier of skilled labor to the world. Sending our children abroad is not the problem, but losing them forever might be. The real question is not should they go. The real question is how do we make sure they come back? If we want our sons to build the future of our country, we must build a country worth coming home to. Start the conversation. Like, follow, and share this video. Let's rethink how we educate, retain, and reconnect our heritage.